Ginger processing plant in Meghalaya is being revived. It is the first ever specialized plant of its own kind in India. The corporation, that is the NERAMAC, the Northeastern Regional Agricultural Market Corporation, has undertaken the responsibility of reviving this closed plant through PPP mode, public-private partnership mode. The NERAMAC is located in Guwahati, which is in Assam. NERAMAC means Northeastern Regional Agriculture Marketing Corporation. It was first established in 1982 to develop the marketing infrastructure for the entire horticulture industry in the northeastern region. Horticulture means like gardening, which we say as Bagwani. NERAMAC is a public sector undertaking organization. Problems in the northeast with the marketing efforts. Reasons to set up NERAMAC. Why there was a need to set this NERAMAC body? From the very beginning, the focus shifted on setting up a plant for pineapple growers. The previous organization lacked the manpower and organizational strength. First, it was for the horticulture people, those who practice horticulture. There was no body which could help them in the marketing efforts. So a proposal was launched in the Northeast brand, which was not taken up by all the states. So the main role of the state marketing bodies of the states is to procure the surplus agriculture produces from the farmers at a predetermined price. So जो marketing bodies होती हैं किसी भी तरह का एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस लाइक वेजिटेबल, ग्रेन्स, योर फ्रूट्स एक्सेट्रा, उसको एक तय कीमत पे खरीद लेती हैं। ये पहले डिसाइड था, बट नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज आर restricted to ginger and food grains. It is being practiced in the northeast. I must tell what are the marketing efforts, where and how to sell, what products to sell, and at what price to sell. So all these 3 points the NERAMAC will concentrate in the trading of agro commodities. Agro commodities means your agricultural produces. Ginger processing plant of Northeast India. It was established in 2004 in the state of Meghalaya. It has remained non-functional till now, but now it is being revived under the public-private partnership mode at its initial stages, and it will be operational in the beginning weeks of year 2021. How the revival of the ginger processing plant will be helpful. So I must tell you, ginger processing plant has 2 operations, which is first to process ginger and second to prepare the products as such, like wax ginger, ginger paste, etc., which you used in daily life, buying from the market, etc. So what is the processing of ginger means? It is involved 4 stages like steam distillation, drying, crushing and extraction of the oil. Where actually the ginger processing plant locates, one might question it. It is located at the Export Promotion Industrial Park, Raja Bagan, Pune. As you can see in the picture, there is various types of products of the ginger made. So why this step taken reviving the plant so late? The main reason behind this was COVID-19, which has attained a place of prominence in recent months because of its reported properties, and properties which are as antioxidant properties, addressing the health problems including heart and lung problems. Against, it was very helpful in COVID-19 to acting as an immunity booster. Benefits of reviving the ginger plant. क्या लाभ है हमें उसको पुनर्जीवित करने से जिंजर प्लांट को? नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन of India produces approximately 450,000 metric ton of high quality ginger every year, and that's a very big amount, I must say. But previously we see there were no facilities of processing, the cold storage facilities, so the ginger growers were forced to sell it at a very low price. But now, due to the development of facilities as such, cold storage, and the processing methods and technologies available, now the ginger growers can sell their product at a very good price. इससे क्या होगा? Results in increase of their income and improved livelihood. फैसिलिटीज़ आने से जिंजर ग्रोवर्स अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को कोल्ड स्टोरेज में स्टोर कर पाएंगे एक लंबे समय तक के लिए, और उसको एक अच्छी कीमत पे मार्केट पे बेच पाएंगे, एंड ऑल्सो यूटिलाइजिंग टू देयर फुल पोटेंशियल. Here we'll be learning a bit more about the Northeastern Regional Agricultural Market known as NERAMAC. NERAMAC has undertaken the responsibility of developing the market complexes with the state-of-the-art facilities. What does it mean? Developing the infrastructure, addressing to the need of the problem to the highest level of the general development. Currently, NERAMAC has launched its own brand named as One Organic Northeast. The main aim of the program is to provide a platform as kind of exposure to the organic niche of the Northeast India. इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो भी उगाया जाएगा लाइक वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट्स एसेट्रा, उसको एक मार्केट का एक्सपोजर मिलेगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम. थैंक यू.